In a small coastal town where gentle waves lapped against the white sandy shore, there lived a fisherman named Daniel. He lived with his wife, Maria, and their 8-year-old son, Lucas. Their life was peaceful until one day, a massive storm swept through, destroying most of the town's fishing boats. Daniel not only lost his boat but also his family's primary source of income. The entire town was plunged into worry and despair. Daniel sat on the beach, gazing out at the sea, his heart heavy with disappointment. He wondered how he could overcome this hardship. Maria approached him, placed a hand on his shoulder, and said, "I know you're very sad, but we must believe that things will get better. Let's find a way to get through this together." Lucas, the boy with bright, shining eyes, ran over and said, "Dad, I believe we'll get a new boat. You're the best fisherman I've ever known." The encouragement from his wife and son warmed Daniel's heart. He decided not to give up. The next morning, Daniel gathered with a group of townspeople to discuss how to rebuild their lives. They decided to work together to build a new boat, one that was larger and sturdier. Everyone contributed wood, tools, and their strength to make the plan a reality. During the boat building process, Daniel faced many challenges. There were moments when he felt exhausted and wanted to quit, but each time, Lucas would come to his side, bringing a drawing of their future boat. The boy said, "Dad, I've drawn our boat. It will take you out to sea and bring back so much fish." Looking into his son's hopeful eyes, Daniel found the motivation to keep going. One day, as the boat neared completion, Daniel realized they were missing some crucial materials. He grew anxious, thinking the plan might fail. But Maria comforted him, saying, "We've come a long way, Daniel. Let's believe everything will be okay. We can find a way to fix this." The family put their heads together and eventually found a substitute solution. When the boat was finally finished, the entire town celebrated together. Daniel felt proud that they had overcome adversity through unity and faith. On the first day out at sea, Daniel took Lucas with him. The boy was overjoyed to fish alongside his father. They caught an abundance of fish, and joy filled everyone's hearts. The story of Daniel, Maria, and their son Lucas is not just a touching tale of overcoming adversity, but also a profound lesson about the power of faith, positivity, and unity. Through their journey, we can draw many valuable lessons that help us face life's challenges more effectively and resiliently. Lesson 1. Faith is the foundation of all success. Faith is the first and most important factor that helped Daniel and his family overcome the storm of life. When he lost his boat and primary source of income, Daniel fell into despair. But thanks to the encouragement of his wife and son, he regained faith in himself and the future. Faith is not just a vague hope, it is a firm belief that things will get better if we put in the effort. The lesson for us, in life, everyone will face difficulties, failures, or seemingly insurmountable situations. But remember, faith in yourself and in those around you will help you find light in the darkness. Believe that you have the ability to overcome any challenge and that your efforts will be rewarded. Lesson 2. Positivity is the key to overcoming adversity. Maria and Lucas demonstrated an admirable positive attitude. Instead of complaining or blaming their circumstances, they chose to view the problem optimistically and seek solutions. Maria was always an inspiration to Daniel, reminding him that everything would be okay if they worked together. Lucas, with the innocence and purity of a child, brought hope and joy to the family. The lesson for us: a positive attitude not only makes us feel better but also opens up new opportunities. When facing difficulties, instead of focusing on the negatives, look for the positive aspects and lessons in the situation. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth and strength. Lesson 3. Action is the result of faith. Daniel and his family's faith was not just limited to thoughts or words. It was manifested through concrete actions. They did not sit and wait for a miracle to fall from the sky. Instead, they worked together to build a new boat. Every step they took, every action they made, was driven by their belief that they would succeed. The lesson for us: faith without action is merely an illusion. If you believe in a goal, start working toward it immediately. Action is the only way to turn dreams into reality. Don't be afraid of failure, as every stumble is a valuable lesson that brings you closer to success. Lesson 4. The power of unity and mutual support. One of the key factors that helped Daniel and his family overcome their difficulties was unity and mutual support. Not only did his family come together, but the entire town also joined hands to build the boat. The collective strength enabled them to complete the task quickly and efficiently. The lesson for us: in life, we cannot face every challenge alone. Learn to trust and rely on those around you. Support from family, friends, and the community can help us get through the toughest times. At the same time, always be ready to help others when they need it, as giving always brings great value. Lesson 5. Children are an endless source of inspiration. Lucas, with his innocence and absolute faith in his father, became Daniel's greatest source of motivation. The boy not only brought joy but also reminded the adults that sometimes we need to see the world through the eyes of a child, simple, optimistic, and full of hope. The lesson for us: learn to listen to and appreciate the opinions and emotions of children. They can offer fresh and creative perspectives. At the same time, nurture optimism and faith within yourself, just as a child believes in miracles. Believe in yourself and take action. The story of Daniel and his family reminds us that life is not always easy, but we always have the choice of how to face it. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome any challenge. Maintain a positive attitude, as optimism will help you find light in the darkness. Don't hesitate to take action, even if they are small steps. Every action you take is a step closer to your goal. Most importantly, always cherish and rely on those around you. The strength of love and unity will help you overcome any difficulty. Remember, faith is not just hope, it is the driving force that propels us to act. When you believe in yourself and the good things ahead, you will have the strength to turn your dreams into reality. So, always trust, stay positive, and never stop taking action. Success will come to those who never give up hope.